How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our Raptor-X versus our Raptor Visor Light Bar models here. So our Raptor-X will measure 15.5 inches on either side, and our Raptor will measure 18 inches on either side. So that will be the main size difference here between our Raptor-X and our Raptor Visor Light Bars. Now our Raptor-X will use our optional SIG plug that I went ahead and plugged in via connector and then plugged into power here. Now on our SIG plug, you do have dual memory. So in one power mode, I have a half-half style flash pattern programmed, and in my second power mode, I have another flash pattern programmed. So you have two flash pattern memories. And for example here, I brought our MultiColor Raptor-X Linear in a red-blue color setup, but we do offer this unit in TIR or MultiColor Linear in amber, red, blue, green, and clear color options. And then you'll also have your flash pattern changer here, which you can use to cycle through your different flash patterns. You can find a pattern you'd like. And then this unit does have memory recall in each of your power modes. So it'll save a flash pattern in this power mode, and then I can easily cycle back to my original flash pattern if I would like to. And again, I have two flash pattern memories. So that's our Raptor-X, and that will use our optional SIG plug. So let's go ahead and go over our Raptor. Now our Raptor Visor Light Bar will use our optional grand control. So I went ahead and plugged in my connector here, plugged in my control box, and then ran my wires to my power here. And we do have a SIG plug option for power if you would like to stay away from hardwiring your power. We do have the SIG plug power option as well on the product page. So here on my grand control, I have my power button, and again here I have my mode 1 and mode 2 buttons here, so I have two flash pattern memories. And then the main difference between our Raptor-X and our Raptor is you'll have your takedown lights on your Raptor. So I have my TD button here where I have my two white takedowns. And we do also offer a super takedown model of our Raptor as well. And here I brought our Raptor TIR in a amber color model, but again we offer our Raptor or Raptor-X in TIR or MultiColor Linear in amber, red, blue, green, and clear. So you'll see there in my first power mode I have a half-half style flash pattern programmed, and then in my second power mode here I have an alternating style flash pattern programmed. And same concept applies where you can use your pattern button to change patterns, and you have two flash pattern memories. And then additionally here on my grand control I have my night mode, which I can activate via button here, or I can activate my night mode via white cable coming off of my cable harness, and that will illuminate my red backlight LEDs on my switch box. And then here you have your aux button where you can hook up to 10 amps of extra lighting all off of your optional grand control. So our Raptor-X will use our optional SIG plug and have on, off, and flashing functionality with your dual flash pattern memory. And then our Raptor and super takedown models of our Raptor will use our optional grand control. And the Raptor will have your aux button where you can add your extra lights, or the super takedown model of the Raptor will actually be a super takedown button there to activate your super takedown mode. If you have any questions about our Raptor Visor Light Bars, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.